Back in Brooklyn, back in Brooklyn, back in Brooklyn. Look at my cup. First of all, I'm world renowned. Okay, world renowned DJ Scratchy. If you know, you know. Thank you. I just got back from Reading, Pennsylvania. Yes, I know my head is cut off. You feel me? This is what y'all getting. No, it's not even this is what y'all getting. This is what I'm giving. 35-year-old Keisha gives no fucks. Okay. So I just got back from Reading, Pennsylvania. Let me get my stool for real, because now I'm just being rude. So I got this from Primark for $7 on clearance, and I'm wearing it with this bra that I got from, what do you call it? Rainbow. $3 or something. But I love it. It reminds me, first of all, it reminds me of Barbados. It gives me little girl vibes. Like, oh my god. Okay, so I'm wearing that. Just got back. Decided to let y'all see what I bought from Reading, Pennsylvania. I have a Brazilian Bum Cream pack of body lotions, chapstick spray. Then I have a Belief and a little bit of Tatcha. Very bougie. Okay, so I'm really unpacking, to be honest. Oh, look. We went to this store called Dillard's. I don't know. Oh my gosh. She said it was their version of Jack's. If you know about Jack's. Jack's is a 99-cent store in the city here in New York City. Oh, you can find so much different crazy things in Jack's. I mean, it's Jack's is not the Jack's that I grew up on, but whatevs. But I got this Birds of Paradise, a coloring expedition. It's an adult coloring book, and I love it. I have a bunch of adult coloring books, and I actually color. It's very great for anxiety. Very great. It's good for anxiety. And I also bought these pencils, and this book was $1.99. Are you crazy? Of course I had to buy it. And I was buying baby books for the baby. I'm a funtie, if you didn't know. Not officially an aunt, but a funtie. Yes. And these are chalk pencils. Yes, I got these because the colors were really pretty. So I just got these to go with my coloring book, and these were 99 cents or $1. This was $1.99. Are you crazy? I bought toothbrushes because I forgot my toothbrush. So I bought some toothbrushes, and this is my favorite kind of toothbrush to use for the past, I should say year or something. Can y'all see? Is it focusing? Yeah. So, and it has like, you know, when you look at it, it looks like a baby toothbrush. Like, it looks like such a small toothbrush, but it's perfect. I really like them. Came in a 2-pack. I also bought the same brand's toothpaste. Not that my friend didn't have toothpaste and I had to buy toothpaste, but this was on clearance for $2. So I bought it because, duh. We should be up on these. They're body wipes. This brand is from Secret, but I took them out of the boxes to travel better. These are great for after yoga, after working out. They're great for your kids, your teenagers. They're great for you. Like, these just wipes. Like, put a few in your bag, put a few in your teenager's bag. You know, it's back to school time soon. Especially girls, you know what I mean? Body odor, you never know when you're just gonna stink. Deodorant, not deodorant, especially kids. Like, little kids stink. Like, you know what I mean? So you never know. You don't want your little girl like, oh my god. So you go in the bathroom, get a little deodorant wipe, and get her like that little ball, the little deodorant balls. Hello, yes. So I got these for myself, really. The main choice, Tropical Moringa Pearly Braid Outglaze. And that's what I did, these twists that I have in my hair right now. I did these yesterday morning, yesterday afternoon when I woke up. So I got this from, yep. So I got this from Marshall's for $9.99. Okay, so clothes. Clothes now. Oh, I bought a bathing suit because it was on clearance. And I'm going to the beach soon again. So I bought this bathing suit. I love it so much. It was on clearance for 15 bucks in TJ Maxx. I'll show you you guys my new feelers. There you go. Okay. I found these in Urban Outfitters when they had the extra 40% off clearance. It did make sense. I had to buy them. And I knew they were comfortable. I knew I loved them. I knew they were my style. And look at that pop of green. Are you serious? So boom. With some shorts. Who they talking to? So I'm going to the beach soon. So I got that bathing suit. And then my friend picked this out. Well, she picked it up and was like, look at this. This is super cute. This was $2.50, guys. $2.50. Look at that color. Oh my god. I was going to wear it today underneath this, but I was like, calm down. What's the brand? Airy. Just pulling stuff out. Oh, I got this for yoga. When I'm going to and from yoga, and it's a little chillier. Like, you know, that those days, and you just, you know, just want to wear sports. You just want to wear a bra, a sports bra, and your thing, you take it off when you get there, you work out, you come back. This is what I got this for. And this was $13 in Target, and it has this little cinched in waist. It feels really good, so I got that on clearance for 13 bucks. Also from Target, I got this little black little top. This was $2.10, so I had to get it. And oh, favorite find, I got this dress from Target for $9. Can you believe that? So of course you see the top, and then it's long and flowy. Long and flowy. I'm wearing it tomorrow. Because I think it's like officially like three weeks or a week and a half till my birthday. And yeah. I'm just going to be cute all the time. Like, if you know me, you know that's how I get when it's my birthday time. Like, please. Oh, this isn't... I went to Primark on Friday. And I got this Primark little bodysuit for $3. And this is what I took to Pennsylvania with me. This also, I found this in Burlington Coat Factory for $7 on clearance. It's the cutest little fucking top when I put it on. I'm so tempted to take it off and put it on right now, but I just washed a pair of shorts that I want to wear with it. So yeah, that top, which I love. And then I found these is back to Reading, Pennsylvania. I went to Ross. I never get to go to Ross, okay? And I found these wedgie straight high-rise snug through the hip and thigh Levi's jeans. I paid $11, $10.99. Are you mad? My favorite part is this. My favorite part is the black patch. Yeah, just classic and beautiful, right? That's my favorite part. And that's it. I feel like I bought more stuff. Did I? No, apparently not. So that's it. Right now I'm about to go to the beauty supply store. I'm waiting for my clothes to dry. Hang those up. Oh, I bought this bathing suit too from Primark. This orange one. Because orange on your brown skin, girl. So I bought this. What else did I buy? I think I bought more things from Primark. Oh yeah, they're right here. Oh. Continuing the haul really quick. I went to Primark on Thursday, last Thursday, and look, I got this shirt. This shirt was, I think, $3 on clearance. I originally got it for my son, but he didn't like it, so I'm just gonna wear it like, you know, with a little pretty bra. Even that bra that I just showed you guys, even though the bra is blue and the shirt is black, because of that color right there, and you'll just see this peeking out the sides because it's a, you know, that kind of shirt. So I got that. I was looking at this thing in Burlington Coat Factory, I think like 2 weeks ago, and I wanted to get it, but I had no more time, so I had to go. So I went to Kings Plaza Burlington Coat Factory, and I found it. It's like one of those, you know, you just put it over you, and sleeves are wide, and it like hits like right below the butt, and you put it on anywhere you want, with a bodysuit and some shorts, with a dress, with a t-shirt, and some short, like whatever you want, tank top, tube top. This is just your protection. You feel me? When it gets a little chillier. And when I say chillier, I mean like a breeze. You know, maybe you have a date by the water, downtown Brooklyn, so it's like a breeze. So you wear something like this with your little sexy bodysuit under, little bodysuit, that, some shorts, a little skirt, whatever you want. It's the shit. I paid $3 for this from H&M, by the way. And then I also got this bodysuit, and this bodysuit is more lacy. Yeah, you can see the lace. And I paid $7 for this one on clearance. So I'm obsessed with bodysuits. Like, I'm obsessed. So you don't gotta wear a bra. Who they talking to? Ah, okay, I got this top, which I love, on clearance, $10. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I just love the color of it, and I just love the shape of it. I love how casual it could be, but I could also put it on with some leather shorts. Yes, yeah. Like faux leather shorts, you know, those kind of shorts. Another bodysuit, but guess why I bought this? There's levels to bodysuits. Yes, they're all black, but they're all different, right? That one was lace, that was more material-y, regular cotton material. I got this because of the straps. Look how thin these straps are. Jesus Christ. On your skin, woo, love. And this was on clearance for $3. Burlington Coat Factory. Then the last thing, before I go, I found these shorts. No, I always saw this bodysuit. Look, I've been seeing this bodysuit in Primark for weeks. It's not, it was original $8, right? But I knew it was going to be on clearance. Clearance for $3. That's what I bought it. And it's just a really light color. Love the print. But look, then I went upstairs to Burlington Coat Factory, and I found these pair of high-waisted, like paper bag waist shorts. Oh my God, but the string, it's a perfect combination. When I saw the shorts, I was like, what? I'm buying those. And the shorts were on clearance for $11. Are you mad? And the brand is Lip Slide. I can't. Where your lips is sliding. So, do they have pockets? Only thing is, these pants don't have pockets, which is weird. Which is super weird. But I can't wait to wear this too. Like, this is such a cute little outfit. Oh my God, with some brown sandals. Alright, so let me put all my new stuff in here before I hang them up. Alright, I'm out. I'm gonna see y'all later. Yeah, that's it. I'm out. I'm about to go find some hair. I need hair. I'm getting some Havana twists. Havana. So guys, I washed it, I deep conditioned, and I trimmed it a whole bunch. And now I'm waiting for the girl to come so she can braid it. Stay tuned. I'm so hyped. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You don't want to say nothing to me because I'm stink. I'm stink. You don't want to do nothing, say nothing to me because I'm stink. I'm on my way to yoga. Stink. You feel me? Stink. See how nothing stops my yoga? My friend was like, how you go yoga with braids? I'm like, ooh. Nothing stops the flow, boo. Nothing stops the flow. Of course y'all are gonna see it all, like see me sitting down and doing my makeup and being all cute with them, but I wanted to show you them. They're probably I got them done on Friday. It is Monday, so, and it's my birthday week. My birthday is Wednesday. My birthday is Wednesday. My birthday is Wednesday. I'm just saying. Cashapp Keisha 1118. Send me $1. How you want to do outfit of the day, but you scared of the bee?
video. Hey yo, watch the video.